would you like to tell the audience what it is you actually do?
So I am with the Fourth Use Vinegar Collective, and we're a group that aims to bring medicines and medical technologies to people who need them but don't have them for whatever reason in any way we can manage. The main ways that this tends to manifest are a lack of infrastructure or legality or price, and price links into what you were mentioning earlier. Typically, price is dictated by intellectual property law controls and medicinal monopolies. So most of the approaches that we take are trying to disassemble the science and present methodologies by which people can build medicines and medical technologies on their own without having to interface with medical infrastructure. And by that means, you can typically bypass problems of legality and infrastructure and price.